Hey guys, welcome back to this little video series I guess I'm doing on how I clean my bathroom. And like I mentioned in the first video, there have been just a lot of things going a lot of directions lately, and this bathroom has not gotten cleaned in a little bit. So I have not pre-cleaned this bath and shower, and I'm going to show you guys how I clean my bath and shower, especially when it really needs cleaned. So the first thing that I do when I get to this part of cleaning my bathroom is I actually replace my towels. So I will just take down the old towels. If you can see those, I think you can. Take down the old towels. I put up a set of new towels, and it's just something that I do as part of cleaning the bathroom. I feel like it's just nice to have a fresh set of towels when you have a fresh bathroom. Then the next thing that I do is I actually take off my curtain, my shower curtain. This bathroom gets used a lot, not by just us, but also by the kids. They tend to just, our little one especially tends to use this bathroom. I will put him in the bath as I am getting ready, and he just tends to use this bathtub way more than he uses his own bathtub. So the shower curtain and everything in here just gets a lot more, I don't know, hard water, or I don't know exactly what it is, but it just gets more scum on it than like the kids' bathroom, for example. They hardly ever have to clean their shower and tub because the girls shower at swim team and the little guy doesn't really use it, so it just never gets used unless we have company. So this shower curtain I will actually take off, and I will throw it in the washer as I'm cleaning the bathroom. And then I will just put this down with the towels, and I will take all of that to the washer soon. Actually, I'm going to, there's some kind of scum buildup on the bottom of it. I'm going to, before I take it out of the bath, I'm going to spray it with, as you probably can tell by now, my favorite cleaning solution, Awesome. And that will just help it. I feel like if I spray even laundry or things like that before I put it in, it just helps break it down more than just putting it in and using detergent. Like I said in the last video, this stuff works really well, but it is very strong, so just be aware of that. Typically I have the fan on when I'm using it, but I don't right now because that would be noisy. So now I will show you guys kind of the before situation of the bath, and it's a little rough. Like I said, I didn't pre-clean this, so you can see I actually took a bath with some bath salts the other day, so there's some just kind of oil spots on the tub. We get this, like, I don't even know what it is. It's like a pink mildewy type stuff on the floor of the shower. I don't know why. If any of you guys know why that kind of stuff comes about, let me know, because I would love to not get that anymore, but we get it kind of all in any areas where the water can sit. So yeah, let me know if you have any ideas for how to get your bathroom to stop getting those, I don't know if it's hard water or what it is, spots. But now I'm going to clean it, and I mainly am going to use the Awesome, and also this Barkeeper's Friend is what gets the stuff off the bottom of the tub. It's the best that I have found. I've tried everything else, and it's the only stuff that completely or mostly gets it off. There's still always just a little hint of it, and I've even tried bleach and it doesn't seem to work as well. So this is what I recommend. This is what I use. What I will do next before I start cleaning it is I just take everything out so I can easily clean without having to work around anything. Now, just like with the toilet, I always start from top and just kind of work my way down, and I will use the Awesome for that. I do like to get up here and just kind of spray down the very top, and then I wipe that down with toilet paper. So then once I get down kind of to about this point in the tub is when I start using the Barkeeper's Friend. Up above that, it doesn't seem to get too dirty, but then it gets quite a bit dirtier as it gets to the spots where the water's hit it. So I'll just kind of sprinkle it around the edges. I will try to get it on the walls. There's some areas like over here, but sometimes I do have to wait until I actually have the water going for that to work. So that is how I clean my shower and tub, and I hope you were able to see kind of the before and after, because it really is amazing how easily and how much better, in my opinion, the Barkeeper's Friend cleans off that scope scum than a lot of the traditional bath products. So I hope you'll check that out. I know I just get mine at the grocery store, so any generic grocery store should have it. If not, I think you can get it on Amazon too. So I'm just going to show you the final step that I do when I clean my bathroom. So the next thing I do is I clean the floor, and that starts off with taking the rug and putting it in the pile of towels and curtains and all of that stuff that needs to be washed. Typically, if I'm not filming, I will just go get that started as I'm cleaning so that it gets done a little faster, but it's in a pile right now and I will start it when I'm done. So then I'm going to take the Awesome that I have been using. Again, you can get this at the dollar store for like $1.50 and it cleans everything. It's really amazing. And I'm just going to take a rag or one of my old cloth diapers, and I am just going to clean the floor. I think it's nice to wipe down the floor pretty frequently in a bathroom and just make sure that that is really getting clean. So that is what I'm going to do now. Sometimes I will also take a couple of Q-tips and spray the top of the baseboards and just go on that with the Q-tip. So that's it, guys. That is the final video of how I clean my bathroom. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you would like to have a home that is easy to clean, if you want to declutter your home and set routines to really make your home run on its own and put things on autopilot, then you should check out my program, Total Home Transformation. And right now, if you use the code Spring Cleaning, you can get 50% off your first month's membership. You can get so much done in that first month and really get yourself on your way to having a streamlined home. So if that sounds interesting to you, I will put a link in the description down below, and I would love to see you on the coaching calls inside the program. All right, guys, that's all I had for now. I will see you on the next video.